So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find all the planes from a specific airlines that are currently flying now. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for Flight Radar 24. Just simply search it and open this first website that appear right in front of you. Now, let's just wait for the site to respond. Now here, all you need to do is to just simply search the flight, the airline that you want to track the data of. Let's, for example, if I write Emirates right there, and here you can see if I write Emirates, just simply click on this option of live Emirates flights, and it will tell you all the live Emirates flights that are currently flying. It found 164 flights of Emirates that are currently in the sky. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.